And welcome to ERPAG tutorial. This is lesson 9, payments. There are different types of payments available in ERPAG. Some of them are payments to suppliers, payments to customers, terms of payments, advance payments. We will start today by going to code lists, product and services, where we will create a new consumed product. Let's say coffee, for example. We want to buy coffee and click OK. After that we will add, for example, new service, let's say marketing research. After that click OK. Now let's enter our partners. First close this, go to code list, partner list, and here we will enter 3 different partners. For example, ABB company. Okay. Another one, for example, MCMC company. And another one, for example, KBC company. Okay, now let's make a purchase. Go to purchasing and we'll skip purchase order, processing and request for quotation and go straight to supplier invoice, where we will buy this coffee. Now go to new supplier invoice, and here enter your partner, let's say ABB company, document type invoice, document number, enter document number, and here in the description field enter your products. Let's say coffee, let's say quantity of 10, by the purchase price of 10, and now click OK. And here it is. This is our invoice, ABB company. This is our purchase amount, and this is our unpaid amount. It's $100. Now let's make a payment. Go to finances, payment, and here you can choose which account you will be using, and you can choose your accounts by going to code lists, banks, current accounts, and here you can add another account. You can click new, or you can add here. So add here and write account 3 and click OK. Now when you go back to payment, you will see that your account 3 is here. So make new payment, payout, enter here description of your payment, coffee payment, and enter here amount that you will pay. Let's say 100. Partner ABB company. Here it is. Invoice number. It is the number we already entered. If you have a write-off, you will enter that amount here, and when you're done, click OK. Now when you go back to purchasing in your supplier invoice, you will see that your unpaid amount has been settled. Now if you had different situation that you paid only half, we will enter 50 here. And when we click OK and close this and go back to purchasing and supplier invoice, you will see that your invoice is half paid, so your unpaid amount is 50. And you can also go to finances and partner ledger, where you can check all unpaid amounts, invoices of all your partners. So here it is, ABB company. Here is our supplier invoice, credit, balance, everything is here. There is another way of checking your balance, credit, debit, and other useful data. You can go to finances and go to open item statement. Here it is, and here you will find all open items. If you have more documents, you can click here and check. So here it is. This is our ABB company supplier invoice, debit, credit, balance 50. We have unpaid amount of $50. There is another interesting option. You can go to code lists, terms of payment, and here you will define your terms. Add new, number 1, description. We'll skip advance payments, and let's say that we want to get paid 40% immediately after invoiced, and for the remaining amount we will say that we want 20% to be paid every 30 days. So that's 4 installments in total. Now let's go to sales and use our terms of payments. Skip sales order quotation, go straight to invoice and make a new invoice. Let's say for our ABB company, and here we will define our terms of payment. Click here. Let's say enter the description of your payment. Let's say marketing research, quantity 1 by the price of $5,000 with VAT. Total amount is $6,000. Click OK. And now let's make a payment. Let's say that someone paid us for marketing research. Go to finances, payment, create new pay in. Pay in is when someone is paying us. Payout is where we are paying to someone. Enter the description. Let's say marketing research number 2, for example. Pay in. Let's say enter your partner, ABB company. Enter invoice number. And let's say that he's paying his first installment, which is 40% of $6,000. That's $2,400. Now click OK. So when you go back to sales invoice, you will see your invoice. It's here, ABB company, marketing research, and your unpaid amount is $3,600. Now there is another option here. You can always go to finances, partner ledger, and see all your unpaid invoices and amounts. And here it is, ABB company, your invoices, and what is important here is due date. As you can see, these are all installments that need to be paid. You can enter each invoice individually to see, and here it is, ABB company, marketing research. Everything is here: price, amount, VAT, terms of payment. Close. You can always go to finances, open item statement, to see all your open items. So find your partner here. Here it is, ABB company, and here are all your useful data. You can also go to finances and to go open items list. Now there are different types of reports, and here in due date enter today's date, for example. Click preview and you'll see that here it is, ABB company. Now after this, let's do advanced payments. You will do advanced payments by going to sales and making a sales order. So let's say new sales order, for example, MCMC company. needs to pay us, for example, for marketing research. Again, we will say 1 by the price of 5,000 with VAT. That's gonna be 6,000 here, see? And click OK. And when we're done with our sales order, we will go to Finances, Payment, and here we will create new payment, new pay in. Let's say marketing research payment. Enter name of your partner, let's say MCMC company. Reference number, we will say this is an advance payment. And purchase order, sales order, it's here. We had sales order with its number, and let's say that he paid 3,000, that MCMC company paid $3,000. And when you're done entering your payment, you can add a note if you want. And the difference between advance payment and deposit is that advance payment will automatically calculate your total bill, your total amount, while the deposit option will not. So choose advance payment and click OK. When you go to sales order, you will see your sales order here. When you click on it, you will see at the bottom that you had advance payment. Here it is. This is your advance payment. Now go to sales order, and you can generate an invoice from sales order. Click here, generate invoice. Click OK. And when you go to sales invoice, you will see that your unpaid amount is $3,000. Now go to Finances, Payment, and let's settle this unpaid amount. Go to New Pay In, and let's say that MCMC company will pay the rest of our amount, which is $3,000. And invoice number. Okay. Add invoice number and click OK. Now when you go back to sales invoice, you will see that your invoice for MCMC company is settled, so unpaid amount is $0. And you can always go to your partner ledger, go to Finances, Partner Ledger, and you can see your partners individually. Just enter their name, let's say MCMC company, and here it is, and click Preview, and here you will see all useful data about your partner, accounts receivable and prepayments receivable. And this ends our lesson.